Washington.
Terry
yeah?
Washington.
For my business, I buy used bikes, yeah, I fix them up and I sell them on. Yeah? Before I buy the bike, I check the frame number. Before I buy the bike. See this grey bike here? I already checked the frame number before I bought it. Yeah? I'm wearing a camo as well, but I couldn't turn it on because I've got cuffs on, innit? Yeah?
Okay, now you don't worry.
Now
Hold on. Let them do what they are doing.
Before I buy any bike, I check the serial number to see if it comes up stolen on the police website that a police officer gave me when I was younger. He said, if that's what you want to do, make sure you check them before you buy it. Now I've checked it, I put it up for sale, I prepared it, I put it on Gumtree, and a woman suspected it may be hers. She can suspect it may be hers, yeah, but come and see it first, yeah, and then accuse you. You don't have to phone police. Now the police, I already know that's not her bike, because I know where I bought it from, it's good. Now these police are going to let me go, because I know they're going to let me go, because it's not a stolen bike.
Yeah, then you just have your
But it's just what happens to young people every day,
and
it's wrong. Yeah, I didn't need to be in cuffs, yeah. See when this comes off, yeah, take that off, yeah. Take that off, take that off, take it off. I don't need to hear, I don't need to hear, yeah. Now I want to hear sorry from your mouth.
That's it.
I want to hear sorry.
Yeah.
Say sorry.
Yes, apology.
Say sorry. Yeah. Say sorry, innit?
No, yeah. But if you find nothing incriminating, then you have to apologize.
This is what I do, innit? I'm not a bad person.
We haven't done anything wrong.
You have to exercise
You
your right.
understand?
We've done everything lawfully. We've done the inquiries needs to do.
Yeah, just tell him sorry, it's okay.
I sold 5 already. I sold 5 bikes already today, yeah? And I'm going to sell 3 more. Now, you can't stop me from what I'm doing because it's the truth.
Don't worry.
All right.